when, like, even on root orpheus, you don't need to be on 4 feet to be fourth-line. Effect of early versus late inguinal hernia repair on CNS adverse event rates and preterm nervous. This is a very common question in the MRC. You have a baby born at 27 weeks, approaching discharge, upon examination you find an inguinal hernia. When should I operate this baby? Very common question, right? The study answers it. Actually, it's better to wait. It's okay to accept an inguinal hernia and not to rush for surgery before discharge. You can come back later for discharge. And the outcomes were very good because everybody thinks, no, it's hernia, it will strangulate, it will obstruct, and so on. It doesn't. Preterm pathophysiology is just different. So this study has answered this question. STAT trial, again, this is another surgical study.